Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a haul from one of my favourite companies, which is HotMiamiStyles. So I recently got a ton of stuff from them, mainly covered in sequins, but there's no issue there. So I'm literally just going to jump straight to it. I've got a lot to show you guys, so let's crack on. So the first thing I got is this gorgeous two-piece, and now I mainly got this one for the top, but I thought it would look so nice with my hair colours, so they're sort of like gold and brown diamonds just stuck all over it, and the top is really cute. It just looks like this. So I thought the top could be dressed down with jeans or leggings, and then when I want the whole thing, I would wear the matching skirt. But it just looks like this, and it's like mesh for the most of it, but then it's lined, you know, where it needs to be, and it just zips up at the back. So really like this one. I just thought it would look really nice with my curls everywhere. Obviously I know it's currently in a plait, but you'll get the vibe. I just thought it was really cool, and they're not horrible to touch, because sometimes sequins can feel horrible and that sort of thing, and I was worried these might feel like they're gonna just pop off, but the quality is really nice, and they're all there, they're not gonna come off. So really like these, and the skirt is just a nice sort of mini skirt, just like that, but I like the way it still has a waistband sort of built in, just with the diamonds. They've made it look like that, if that makes sense. And just looks like that. So I think this will look really cute on, and if it fits right, I want this to be my birthday outfit, which I'm well aware is like a good 4 months away, 4.5 months, but gotta plan ahead. So that's this one. This is how it fits, and I absolutely love the top. I think it's so gorgeous, and just a really just unusual neckline. Like, I know halter necks aren't, but I don't own many like this, and I just love it. No, so love the top, and I've just put a swimming costume underneath just because it's quite a low back, but the mesh isn't exactly in the right place, like the black insert, so I just prefer wearing something underneath. And then I do like the skirt. It just looks like that, so it's a nice fit, nice length. Only thing I would say is they sort of dislodge the sequins a little bit, like because it's stretched a little bit, you could say, so where it's stretched, they're sort of like not moving exactly on the same plane, like when they're put in a line, if that makes sense. So it means a few are in weird places, like you can see there's one little runaway one there, so no one's going to notice that, but I notice, and it just looks like that. So, and I don't know how I feel about where the zip is. It's like a plain black line, and because, you know, a small is a little bit stretched around my hips, I feel like it's a bit bigger than it looks off of me. But definitely love the top. We'll wear it with high-waisted jeans, skirts. Like, I think a plain black skirt would look amazing with this. Or like leggings, that sort of thing. So definitely going to wear it. I just might only whip out the skirt on special occasions, which could be my birthday. I need to try it with my hair like mad. And then it'll either like make or break the outfit. But no, I mean, I like it. Next thing I got is a gorgeous, just covered in diamonds mesh bodysuit. So it just looks like this. So the bottom of it isn't covered in diamonds, which is really nice because it means when it's tucked into jeans or a skirt, you're not going to have lumps and bumps everywhere, and it's just comfortable. It literally like feels like pants. And then the diamonds are where you want them, so they're seen. And it is a mesh, but it will look nice with either like a plain black bra underneath or a nude one, whatever you want, and it's long sleeved and super stretchy, which is always a good thing. So it just looks like that, and it zips down the back like so. So I actually originally wanted to order this for Christmas Day because I thought I would literally look like a Christmas bauble, and I might wear it because I'm filming this before Christmas Day. I'm aware you're watching this afterwards, but yeah, I don't know. Follow my Instagram to see what I wear. But I think it's just the colours are so cool. I really love it. So I'll go pop this one on. The bodysuit fits, and I am just in love. So it's very sheer, but I think with a nice like black, you know, supportive strapless on, it looks quite cute. You could wear a bandeau underneath, or wear a nude bra so it looks like it's nothing underneath, but then just very skin tone everywhere. I don't know, I think I prefer the black look, especially with like black trousers. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks quite intriguing, but it's literally covered in the diamonds, so it doesn't even, you can't see much, you can just see that I'm wearing a black bra. So a bandeau might look nice or something like that. So a bandeau I think would be more appropriate to like a family thing, but I am loving it. It just looks like that. Only thing I would say is the sequins, the diamonds like stop around here, which isn't the end of the world, but you get like straps if you like, and then around the neck it's not quite even, but these are minor things just to be pedantic. I don't know, I really like it. I think it looks sort of like a jumpsuit with these trousers on. I love it, and it's just so funky, and I feel really comfortable wearing it, so I definitely can see myself wearing this to parties and that sort of thing. It's just so sassy. And if you don't want to have something this mesh, just wear a black tank top underneath. Oh, I can't talk today. Yeah, like a black vest top will look really cute, and it'll look like it's made with the top, if that makes sense. It'll look like the undergarment, but no, I love it, and I'm so sparkly. Like, I keep blinding myself when the light catches one of the diamonds. I think it's so cool. So no, I love this one, and if this isn't the one for you, they do ones that don't have the coloured diamonds in, and they do different designs, so seriously check out their bodysuits, because I'm obsessed. So, love this one. So next we have a two-piece set, and you probably would have seen these leggings on just a second ago. They're what I matched the bodysuit with. But the reason I got this two-piece set is the leggings, and I just realised I got a bit curious with my makeup this morning, if you like, hence the very red and brown eyeshadow. I just got bored and decided to play around, and I'm always scared to use like pinks and reds because I'm like, is it going to look like I've got pink eye or something wrong with my eyes? But I kind of like it. I don't think it went too bad. Let me know what you think. But yeah, so this is the two-piece. They're just these high-waisted black leggings, but what's really cool about these is I just didn't know how they'd feel. So they look like they're bandage material, but they're actually ribbed, and oh my god, they are the comfiest things ever. Like, they just go on like a glove, and they just fit, and they feel nice, and I'm very happy with these. And they do them in like an olive green colour as well, and I am tempted. But the zip just goes down the back there. They're very high-waisted, which is perfect for the December period, and yeah, love those. And they come with a very cute crop top, a very little crop top, but I kind of like this to wear under things because it will just give the nice like straight across black thing, but so will a black bandeau. I think I'll get some wear out of this, but the main reason I got this set was for the trousers. But I'll pop it on together so you can see how it fits. This is how it fits, and to be honest, I'm in love with the leggings. They are exactly what I wanted. They fit really nice everywhere. They're really high-waisted. They're really comfortable to get on. Like, they don't feel like I'm being held in anywhere. They're just fab. The only thing I would say is they come up a little short. So if you're taller than me, I would, you know, be careful with that, because I'm 5'5", but I have quite long legs. So they're about 1.5 inches short for me, but they'll look absolutely fine with boots or high heels, so not bothered about that. And I'd rather them be a bit small than have excess like leg, you know, so they all bunch up at the bottom. The top, on the other hand, I mean, it fits fine, doesn't look bad, but it's just not the length I usually go for. I usually like bralette length, so they sit a little bit lower, but I mean, it's cute, it matches the leggings, but I'll probably wear this just to lounge around in, whereas these leggings I'll probably turn into like going out trousers, that sort of thing, because they're so nice to wear. But I could also lounge around in the leggings as well, because they're just so comfortable. So I'm really happy with this set. I definitely think I'll keep both, but yeah, let me know what you think, but I think it fits great, so I don't see why not. And I just love the trousers. They're just the perfect everything, so obsessed with those. And the top, I mean, it's not bad, so overall, not too shabby. Now, the next item, I just love it. So they do this in white, green, and I think that's all of them. White, green, and black. So I got the black one to play it safe, just because I don't know how it fits and that sort of thing, and I thought black would be good. But it literally reminds me of what a pirate's wife would wear. You know, from all the films I've watched. Probably don't have a very accurate representation of a pirate, but it's just this really sort of like gypsy top attached to a corseted bandage dress skirt. So I just think it's really like well made and unusual. I love the idea of it. And then it has long sleeves here, but if these get annoying, that's one snip away from disappearing. So I think the sleeves will look cute, and I'm going to try it as it is. But I haven't tried this on yet, so I hope it fits. It looks a little bit wide, like that bit. And normally I like my bandage dresses to be as tight as possible. That sounds really bad. But I think this one will, I hope it works. I'm really excited to try it. And I got it in a small, and I think that's the smallest size they do. Dun dun dun. It's not going to tell me what size I got. I presume small. It's definitely not medium, so, and chances are I don't order extra small, so it's a small. So I'll go pop it on and we'll see how it fits. Okay, so I am absolutely in love with this dress. It's so unusual, but oh, it just fits. It's so nice. Like, you've got the really thick bandage material that isn't too big anywhere. It holds me in. It's not like super tight, but then again, it's nice not to have that. Oh, I love it. No, I love this. This is my new favourite little black dress, and even though I thought it looked a bit piratey earlier, I think that's not what people are going to think when they see me. I think they're just going to think like, ooh, that's unusual. And I really like the connectors here. I just think they're a really nice addition, and I love how the top fits. Like, I was a bit worried there wouldn't be enough material or whatnot, but it fits beautifully, and I'm not worried it's going to fall down either, which was another thing that was, you know, a little bit scary. But, oh, no, I love it. Only thing I would say is these arm connectors do, like, look a bit funny, but then again, I'm not going to be out and about doing that, so no, I definitely think the sleeves are a cute, like, accessory of the dress, so no, I love it. Now, let me know what you think about this one, but I think I'm going to try it. They do it in, like, a olive green and a white, and to be honest, I'm open to trying both those colours, but I love it in black. It's so sleek, but voila boom, and it's so high waist, like you've got the bandage dress material right up to just below your boobs, which is, you know, it's going to hold in absolutely everything, which is perfect. So I love this number. So the next thing I got is a really unusual necklined dress. It sort of goes up in the middle. It's like a remover of cleavage, but it looks really classy on the model, and they do this in a few colours, and it's quite a long dress, so I'll need to wear fairly high heels with it, just because it's that awkward length for me that can make me look quite short. But no, I really like it. It's made out of like a nice thick material, because you've always got to be wary with white that it's going to go see-through. But no, I really like it. It's just how it looks on, and I got white because I love white dresses, but I'm always scared to wear them because I'll get stains down them and things like that. So probably should have got one of the other colours as well, but we'll see how this one looks. I'm very excited for this one. This is how it fits, and I love it. It's a little bit tight up top, but I don't think it looks too bad. You just can't see the point. It's like stretched out, so it won't stay up. It like just keeps flopping down, but I don't think it looks bad. It's still like has a bit of a bump up, just not a point. So I should probably size up in this one. So if you're like me, definitely go for a medium. I love the little ringlets there. I just think they just are like a little bit extra, like just a little bit extra than just a plain white dress, but I think they make it, so love those. And then the dress itself is thick enough to not be see-through, and it just hugs all the right places. It's quite long, so it comes about halfway down my shins, so with a nice pair of platform heels, I should be good to go. But no, I think it's got a really nice slit at the back, so even though it's a really tight pencil dress, that is stretchy but thick stretchy, if that makes sense. It's like really sturdy stretch. So I feel like without the slit at the back, I might be walking a bit waddly, so I'm glad that's there, but no, I love this dress. But I think I'm going to try it in a different colour and size up to see if the neckline changes. So in my next HotMiamiStyles haul, yeah, just because the top is a little bit suffocating, but because it is stretchy, I think it's going to stretch with me, because, you know, to get it on wasn't impossible. Like, the zip did go up, so no, I mean, it's definitely a lovely dress. I can see myself wearing this quite a lot, and in the summer when I'm tanned, white is just going to make me look even more tan, so I'm a fan. So I really like this one. Next we have a top that I literally want to be buried in because it's amazing. It is this chainmail diamond mesh, whatever you call it, top, with diamond straps. Like, how extra do you want to be? And it looks like that. Oh, look at that. But it's very cold because it is metal, so I'm definitely going to need to put like you've got to be careful what you put under it, because it's backless. It just has this little like necklace strap going on at the back, so you can't wear a normal bra unless you're happy with them seeing it. So I've got a swimming costume that's got like an unusual back that might work quite well, just because it is see-through, like extremely, and it's also very cold, so I'd rather wear something under it. So I will go figure something out with this one, and I'm going to pair it with the high-waisted leggings you just saw, because I think they'll look really nice with it, and I think it'll be a look. So let's have a look. So this is how it fits, and I love it. The only thing I wish is that I had a nude something to go underneath, but it needs to have a pretty back because it's backless, but I don't know, because it is quite sheer, you can just see everything like underneath, and I think black just, like, I don't know if it's going to show on camera or look opaque on camera, but it's very much sheer still because it is just like chainmail. So I need to find something suitable to go underneath, but I love it. It's just so unusual, and the diamond strap's really nice, but I do think they're going to hurt after a while because it's a heavy top, and to be resting just on like metal straps, I can just see it causing me problems. But as of right now, I love it, and I love how it moves. Like, talk about danceable. Like, it's like a flapper dress, just more sort of, I don't know, more modern, because it's not a dress. But, oh, no, I love it. I love anything that moves, and this has such a weight to it. It's just so nice to wear. So I'm loving it. I'm just going to be hunting for something to wear underneath. I was thinking you can get, like, stick-on bras or nipple covers and that sort of thing, but again, I think you'll be able to see it so clearly through that I want to wear something underneath that I want people to see, so like maybe a pretty back nude bra or like a nude bandeau that maybe is lacy. I don't know, I need to figure that one out, but I mean, it does look cool, doesn't it? I mean, the other option is to sew in, because it's only chainmail, I can easily tack in like a nude piece of material, so it'll look like, it'll look like there's just nothing there, hopefully, and that means I can wear nothing underneath and keep it backless, but who knows. Oh, look how cool it is, like, I love this. And they do it in silver and gold, so this is like the mix of black and silver, so if you're more of a gold or bright silver person, HotMiamiStyles has you sorted. So no, I love this, although my mum did just tell me that this is not appropriate for Christmas Day, so I'm sad, but I'll definitely get some wear out of this one. Like, this is a party top and a half, so just got to figure out how to wear it, but I'm very happy with this one. So the last dress I got is amazing, but I'm not going to show you guys how it looks on, just because I have something planned with this one. So if you follow my channel, you'll know I like to do like some cosplays here and there, and I've always wanted to do a Cleopatra one, and I've dressed up as Cleopatra before, but the dress was a bit naff, and I was like, Cleopatra, she bathed in milk every day, like, she does not need that as her dress. So I was like, I need to look out for the dress, and I have found it. This is velvet, sequins and chain. Like, I think she'd wear it. So it's got this like really unusual neckline with the like V in the middle, and then it is just a double slit heaven. So it's quite an Egyptian style. Like, I am not showing you how this dress looks at all. So it's got two slits in it, and it's fairly long. It's not quite floor length, but it's like very heavy, and it's a nice dress. So that's the goal, and I'll have this black sleek bob, and some mad eyeliner, and we'll be good to go. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, or subscribe for more if you like. So yeah, that's the final thing I got, but I just wanted to show it because it's beautiful, and I will link it down below, so if you want to know what it looks like on, you can see it on the model before you see it on me. But I will try that on as and when I do that cosplay, which hopefully won't be too long, because I have most of the things I need for it, I just need to find the time. So that's today's video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll link on my social media down below, including like my Instagram stuff. I have another channel which is all about fossils, so if you're a fan, check that out. And yeah, and if it interests you, I have a Patreon as well, but all the links are down below, so go check those out. But thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you subscribe for more.